Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I am back. So I will be coming back for one more video that I will be doing, but I wanted to come and show you this DIY I've been working on since last month. This is almost a month whole worth of me working on it because it took me almost a month to work on it because the type of me using nail crystals, that's what I was using, and it took time and effort to use them, and I had to change the glue at the last minute to actually change it up for it would stay. So without further ado, let's get started. So I took the things you would need, like I was saying, is the translucent E6000 glue. You will need the fingernail fingernail nail bling um crystal, AB crystals, and you will need a garbage can of your choice, but make sure it's a metal garbage can. And I'm going to tell you, it's going to take you some time, and I mean some time to work on it. So it took me almost, oh my God, let's see, I started on it in the end of September. So, not the end of September. Yeah, the end of, kind of sort of towards the end of September, early October is when I started it, and it took me a long time to do it. So this is what how it turned out. So if you can see the bling, yeah, and with in some of it, I actually put each side has a different design take. That's how I wanted it to look. But yeah, I mean, yeah. And then if you look at the bottom right here, this is what took me the longest to do. Took me the longest to do the bottom. And it, like, once you get through, I'm going to advise you when comes to the glue, to when it comes to the bottom, don't do it like the top to the bottom. Start from the bottom. If you're gonna do it like a ribbon piece, like I did, go for the bottom and then work up, because it works. Once you do that bottom piece, turn it upside down and let it dry overnight. The way that I did it, I let it dry overnight for a day, and then the next night I will work on it. It took me almost about the whole month, and I'm finally done, and I have other DIYs that I'm finna get ready to start. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and